You're joining us here at the Airbus helicopter headquarters just outside Marseille. Right now, I'm actually in the prototype hangar, and behind me is the brand new H160 from Airbus Helicopters. And with me is Benoit Terral, a former French military helicopter pilot himself. He's now part of the marketing team on this incredible aircraft behind me. Well, looks amazing.
Yes, it is. Bring you inside?
Thank you. So what is so special about the H160?
Many things, actually. The first point is that, as I mentioned during the turnaround, this avionics is absolutely, I would say, new, and the philosophy is important because it's designed by helicopter test pilots. It's probably the first time in the helicopter industry we design our own avionics. It's used in other aircraft, 135, 145, and even 175, meaning that we have a family concept, like on the fixed-wing Airbus, where a pilot flying on one aircraft and switching to another one very, very easy, quickly. So it's a very nice concept. And the other point is that you see this is vertical screen, so that the pilot has a great visibility, because in helicopter it's really important to have huge visibility.
So who is this aircraft designed for?
Well, mainly three missions at the beginning, which is medical services, of course. Also oil and gas operation, that means you change the crew on the oil rigs. And it is also called passenger transport. And of course, for private and business aviation, we call sometimes VIP aviation. Hey Chris, you cannot live without seeing that. It's really impressive, really impressive. So you're here in Dynamic Helicopter 0. And this test bench, which is absolutely unique, is used for 2 years now and for the next year as well, for the H160. So here you have a real aircraft with an airframe. And what we have done is that we have recreated a kind of wind tunnel for helicopter. It's the first time ever. If you look at this big cylinder, you can open the roof, okay, so that the air goes from up to down. You are 5 meters above the ground, okay, and the air goes that way, outside, and we recreate here hovering outside ground effect conditions, which is a very important flight condition for our helicopters.
So this is like a wind tunnel, and nobody else does this?
It is exactly a wind tunnel, and this is absolutely unique in the helicopter industry, and that's why we are very proud of this test bench.
Well, Benoit, thanks so much for showing us around Airbus helicopters today.
It was a great pleasure, Chris. Nice to see you.
Thank you.
Bye.